Oh yes, the ego has landed. I just flew into town. Okay, you can say that again. Never. No, no. I am not seeing anyone right now. I am not seeing you girls too. You know, I've had a long day already, so I'll just move into my house, take a warm shower, sleep, and think of what next to do. Of course. No. Baby girl, can you just calm down? I said I'll sleep and sleep again. The next way is no way to the direction you're headed right now. Trust me. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing any of that. You see this lady right here? She's a child of God. A dedicated child of God as that. Okay, fine. You just get off my phone. Silly you. Oh.
My name is Glamo Keke. I'm the supervisor here, ma'am.
My name is Chioma Okafo, Chef Chi. I'm the cook here.
My name is Caroline Weke. I'm the cleaner here.
My name is Jumbo Okonji. I'm the gate man.
Namibi David Omai. I'll be the driver. The family driver.
Good. I did not ask you to reintroduce yourselves because I did not know what I employed you for. But to make sure the job specifications rings a bell in everybody's head. 100,000 naira salary won't be bad in this present economy, is it? I don't think so. You will get paid so well, so you can offer your services effortlessly and diligently. For the records, my fiancé returns from abroad soonest, and we'll walk down the aisle together. I want every department to be up and doing. Hard work could attract salary increment. Non-diligence to work could also attract a slash from your salary. You must stick to the manuals, rules and regulations guiding this home. Now go and work. Work for your salary increment, or you work for a slash from your salary. You can now go.
Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma.
Thank you, ma.
Listen to me, mellow your temper, put a video. Can't you see the handwriting on the wall? Chinemere, take it easy because Obodo Imabilonia was that before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Obodo Imabilonia was that before. Opportunity not go pass me by. The only son of billionaire go be my husband, yo. Love more. Obodo Imabilonia was that before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Obodo Imabilonia was that before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Obodo Imabilonia was that before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Well, look why you Chinemere where on your mechio. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Well, look why you madam. Oh, where on your mechio. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Chinemere, listen to me, mellow your temper, put a video. Can't you see the handwriting on the wall? Chinemere, take it easy because Obodo Imabilonia was that before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Obodo Imabilonia was that before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Opportunity not go pass only son of billionaire, go be my husband, yo. Love more. Obodo, you my billionaire husband before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. We are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a hugger tomorrow. Lower your actions. We are all human beings. Chinemeremwa, listen to me. Mellow your temper. Put up video. Can't you see the handwriting on the wall? Chinemere, take it easy because Obodo, you my billionaire husband before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Obodo, you my billionaire husband before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Opportunity not go pass me by. The only son of billionaire go be my husband, yo. Love more. Obodo, you my billionaire husband before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Obodo, you my billionaire husband before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Obodo, you my billionaire husband before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Well, look why you Chinemere onye mechio. Lower your actions. We are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God. Lower your actions. We are all human beings. Well, look why you Madam onye mechio. Lower your actions. We are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions. We are all human beings. Chinemeremwa, listen to me. Mellow your temper. Put up video. Can't you see the handwriting on the wall? Chinemere, take it easy because Obodo, you my billionaire husband before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Obodo, you my billionaire husband before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Opportunity not go pass me by. The only son of billionaire go be my husband, yo. Love more. Obodo, you my billionaire husband before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Obodo, you my billionaire husband before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Obodo, you my billionaire husband before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Well, look why you Chinemere onye mechio. Lower your actions. We are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions. We are all human beings.
What is this? Did you wash this car?
Yes, ma, I did.
Shut up! So, you want to infect me?
I'm sorry.
Is this what you're paid for? So you wash some part of a car and leave the other part?
I'm sorry.
I don't blame you lowlifes. You don't know how to make money. So how then will you know how to maintain a good skin and prevent it from skin infections?
I'm sorry.
Hey. Come here. Did you supervise the washing of this car?
Yes, ma.
Shut it. Go there. Go right there and have your nails kissing the ground.
Sorry, ma'am.
You heard me loud and clear. Go there and kneel. A punishment for negligence of duty.
Sorry, ma'am. Do you have to humiliate me like this before the people I supervise?
Now, or you get yourself fired already.
Chinemeremwa, listen to me. Mellow your temper, put to a video. Can't you see the handwriting on the wall? Chinemere, take it easy because Obodo Babylonia was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Obodo Babylonia was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Opportunity not go pass me by. The only son of Babylonia go be my husband, yo. Love more. Obodo Babylonia was back before. Where are you? Come,
2 minutes. You have 2 minutes to wash my car properly. Or you have 20% of your salary slashed.
I'm sorry. Okay, ma.
I don't like dirty people. You're just a dirty pig.
Chinemeremwa, listen to me. Mellow your temper, put to a video. Can't you see the handwriting on the wall? Chinemere, take it easy because Obodo Babylonia was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Obodo Babylonia was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Opportunity not go pass me by. The only son of Babylonia go be my husband, yo. Love more. Obodo Babylonia was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Obodo Babylonia was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Obodo Babylonia was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you.
Wait, Seth. See, don't try me. As no one will make the water just touch everywhere. Don't need the honey. I don't want
my front now.
Calm down. I'm listening to shit up here. Come on, we go.
Let the turn up.
Calm down. Calm down. Calm down.
wèrè ní
See. Take your time to go.
Màá fún ẹ ní owó báwọn pa.
Take your time to go.
Màá fún ẹ ní owó báwọn pa kọ̀.
I got working on it.
Wọ́n náà gba gbogbo èkó ní ṣe àfún ẹ.
Iṣu for what?
O lè ní ẹ.
Kí n darí à? Àwọn sábẹ́ ti dẹ́.
Wọ́n sọ fún ẹ. Wọ́n sọ fún ẹ. Má bẹ̀ ṣe kíni wọ́n sọ fún ẹ. Òjì dà fún wa yíyọ òjì. Ibo wèrè. Òjì dà fún ẹ.
Hey, what are you doing here in the city? Have you forgotten your job specifications here? You are a common driver. A driver stands by the car and not in the sitting room. Now, return to your duty post. You lazy, common moron.
Servant today, fit become oga tomorrow. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Well, look why madam, oh, where on your mechi? Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become oga tomorrow. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Well, look why madam. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a hawker tomorrow. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Chinemeremwa, listen to me, mellow your temper. Put a video. Can't you see the handwriting on the wall? Chinemere, take it easy because
Wait, let me call you back. Is this not my husband's car? Now what can be this now? My husband said this car will be at the mechanic throughout this month. Now the parts to repair it is not yet in the market. I don't get it. Mark, you are here. Why did you pick our car from the mechanic without telling me? And I checked to work today, including my husband. Where is he?
Okay. Madam.
Where is my husband? Where is he?
Babes, I think I should give you guys a lift. This is my car.
Did you just call this a car?
Of course, that's my car.
This Nigerian citizen, your fellow citizen, is what you are calling a car. Excuse you? Are you trying to insult us or what? Huh? No, wait. You expect I, Lizzie, the hottest babe in town, the happening chick, to enter this bura? This tuke? This should be an iron condemned now. What's that?
Wait, ladies, please, you need to calm down. I didn't mean to insult you.
Okay, shut up, boo! Shut your mouth, you already insulted us. Which one is it? You can give us a ride. This is your car. Is this one a car? Oh God. Please, calm down. Are you making me lose my cool? What's this? What's the meaning of this? How can you insult us? Huh? Wait, Like, I feel like I'm suffocating. What's this? Oh my goodness.
It's okay, dear friend. It's okay, please. Let's just assume it's a mistake. Guy, you the F up now.
How?
What do you mean how? Eh? You not get eyes, you know they see. You look us finish, you not fear. Eh? Is it because of the food of how much? When you buy for us, you don't came and say we should enter this thing. You actually call this a car? God of Nazareth. Are you kidding me? Wait.
Really?
What is really? Wait a minute. You are insulting us already, you know, yeah? No, you are insulting us already, you know, yeah? Is it because we told you forget our ATM at home? Yes. And we're having problem with transfer.
Exactly.
If not, we would have been the one buying food for you and not the other way around. What is all this? You see this car? That is our car. You see my girlfriend? Our SUV is being serviced at the mechanic. If not, we would have drove you off. But man, I can see you have a better choice of your class.
Like, I don't even understand this. You look me from head to toe and you ask me to enter this thing, this crap. Do you want my clothes to tear? Do you want me to go home naked? What's this? Oh goodness gracious. What's this? Listen, the next time you see me, do not talk to me, please. Don't just talk to me.
Go where? Where are you not to go?
What is this? Eh? I mean,
I'm not going.
Madam, stop!
So, Shebi, I tell us I go catch you now again. Shebi, I told you. My husband carry our car. A car we bought with our hard-earned money. Carry give una two. Una use and the waka in the trek. He carry in car give una. Una use and they do una use una fake life. Without this borrowed clothes and wig. And me, his wife. And the trek they go walk. Eh? Today is the end of the road for two of you.
Excuse me, ma'am. Have we met before?
Yes.
My name is Lizzie. Hi.
Yeah.
No, we never met before.
Madam.
We danced before.
We don't know you.
Today, we go swim.
Madam, please stop this. What is this? You're embarrassing us. What kind of nonsense is this?
Eh? You see the talk?
Yes, now.
Wait, you see the talk? I see all my husband for the moon and the tuna don't chop. Today, we're not going to provide that.
Madam, beg, stop that nonsense. What kind of nonsense? Is it because I'm quiet?
Okay.
Is it because I'm quiet?
I don't
understand what
you're saying.
What kind of nonsense is this?
Don't worry, the man embarrassment is coming. If you see the embarrassment, you go see it today. And the talk, the talk.
Don't worry, the talk. You can't nonsense with that one.
Relax now, you go see
I
embarrassment.
don't know what you're trying to
imagine.
Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Well, look why madam, oh, where on your major. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Well, look why madam, oh, where on your major. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions.
Hey, come back here. What is this? Come here. Come here. Come here. wrong with all of you in this house? When has it become so difficult for you to wash a glass cup and rinse it properly? You want to poison me, huh? No, I get it. You want to poison me, you want to take my place, you want to take over this house and all the property my sweetheart in abroad and I labored for. Shh. Get out. Get out now. Shh. Leave. Just get out, leave my sight. Hey, come back here. Stupid girl. Come here. Come. And who are you leaving this for? My friend, take these girls and get out of this place. Dirty girl. Oh my God, this girl wants to take my life in this house. I won't let that happen. Oh, can you imagine? And you? Just look.
G for General.
Hello, come girl.
G for General.
Hello, babe, no be so. Babe, no be so you take do something now, eh? Them say as God don't bless person, go just forget him friends just like that. Calm down now, no be so you take wrong things. Eh?
Oh, not really, you know. Thinking money, I've got a lot in my head.
Thinking of money. Babe, you sure say na money they think of? Eh? I'm not just understand you.
Oh, girls, I promise I'll make it up to you girls.
Wait. So all of us did this house, Gina. You pack your things. You pack everything. You come on, leave us. You don't even tell us. Which kind of friend be this one?
I don't understand.
Eh?
Which house?
See, babe, remember say they owe me 2,000. My last 2K where I borrow you. The only money where in my account where you beg me say make I borrow you. Baby, never still give me that money till today. You know fair now. You know some of us they manage. You know fair now. See, babe, I'll tell you something. You owe us an apology. Yes. We be your girls now. You need to apologize to us for not checking up on us.
Girl, I beg, just calm down. You will come to my house, but not now. I've told you this before.
See, now you're talking. You know waiting. You go start by sending us your address.
Baby, wait. Talking waiting. What is she they talk?
No, make she send the address. We'll go her house now. See, baby, we'll call your house. Send us address. We'll call your house.
I never said that. Anyways, can we catch up later? You know, I've got a lot we can talk about. Let me make it up to you girls. How about that?
Chegodi, wait. Gina, I don't understand. We'll not be your babes again. Eh? You not gonna trust us again or waiting. Wait. You dey think say we can kidnap you or kidnap the house where they stay?
See me.
Gina, why you dey do like this?
Alright, we'll catch up later, alright? And you take care. Bye.
Catch him for a year. Imagine she pay. I don't want to make like say you say we don't start.
She know the year Yoruba now.
She go hear this one. Anyway, if they come, don't just comment here and then.
The whole people in this house are just crazy. Bunch of dirty idiots. Huh?
Yeah, she don't drop phone. I don't happy now. She don't drop phone. Yoruba that don't chase the girl come on. She don't drop phone now. Every day you and Yoruba. If you don't say Oli Okwe, you go say Oli.
Èmi kọ́ ni mo share o.
Because mo share go get ban.
Èmi kọ́ ni mo share o.
Mo share go get ban.
Ba ni wèrè ni ẹ̀sìn wa ni mo ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ o.
Yes.
Chinemeremwa, listen to me. Mellow your temper. Put to a video. Can't you see the handwriting on the wall? Chinemere, take it easy because Obodo Babylonia was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Obodo Babylonia was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Opportunity not go pass me by. Only son of Philonia, go be my husband, yo. Love more. Obodo Babylonia was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Obodo Babylonia was back before. wayo. Chinemere onwero onye mechi yo. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become oga tomorrow. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Well, look why
G for Jennifer.
General influence.
Gina, ọ̀rẹ́ mi tó wà òkè, ọmọ olówó, Maurice too much.
The money is smelling. Gigi.
Yes. You know, girls, I am thinking of taking you girls to Canada just for the weekend.
See, that's when they drink and with us. Calm down.
Even if I used to, you know, manage to drink Gary with you girls, that has been in the past.
How many? So soon. Now we dey English like the crazy.
Now we dey hell now. They call
like Gina.
So that's the Bugania. See, Gina, now all of us live for this house. In fact, we live for one house like that, face my face before we can't get this kind of house. Don't forget. Now we know, forget that too. Babe, calm down. Now nobody there here. Now talk to us.
Gina,
bring that babe down.
Calm down. Now blood today.
All of us just look at it, they can say, you girls know, you girls.
Babe, what's up now? But
oh,
I swear, you're looking fresh though.
See skin like milk. Baby.
Easy, Pico, easy. I'm not sharing my updates now.
She know they do this thing. You that English, none of us now. If you go outside, they do that.
Calm down now.
Nobody say
give her life.
I've made it, so you people know. Gina has made it. So calm down. Calm down. I've made it.
Now she smell fresh.
Gina na escort now she dey t-shirt out to borrow now.
Now she be the president of following association.
But though you are looking
Gina,
good,
this class where you wear, show you don't pay for that. No, talk to me.
You don't see my driver for front. You're crazy. You don't see my driver for front.
Who you pay money to collect that driver? But it's better now. General in following.
Yes, they show that. G baby, me onira. G baby, me life for living. Life,
you know, you shake your breast. Every time, G baby, monira.
Now I go inspire Jima at one. They use like bath. She dey now wear wig. She dey now rub cream.
She's a bit like that.
They life for living.
Don't help me.
Abi,
you don't put me for mansion. I don't get house. I don't get car. I don't still get driver. Get cook. Get cleaner. Get gitman.
Baby, sure.
You good to the lie.
Sure.
If you still make her.
You go make her now. You know that you can president now. Sure.
No, that's G baby.
So don't be me wey be the liar before.
Sorry now, I thought they joke with you.
Let's follow you play again.
You dey cuss us. G baby.
So now I know.
Yes, no.
A new format.
Women in power. Why is she so mean? Why is she behaving as if she's the beginning and the end of the world?
Remain in power. No. I don't think it has anything to do with that. It's an individual thing.
But is that the way she behaves? I mean, she's so odd. She's so full of herself. I think pride has taken the better part of her. I wonder what her so-called husband-to-be saw in her that made him choose her. For me, she's not a wife material and can never be.
One man's food, they say, is another's poison. For me, I can never marry a man because of his wealth, or physical appearance. My grandmother, whom I grew with, taught me a lot about marriage. She told me that marriage is so deep and everlasting. And so wealth and a physical appearance shouldn't be a yardstick for measurement. So maybe, just maybe, her husband saw something in her that we both are not seeing, or we all are not seeing. You never can tell. We are the outsiders here.
Whichever way, she has a bad character, which is a problem besides marriage. So she's not a good person.
We still can never tell. Okay. We're just judging from the outside. Anyway, Dave, I know you are hungry. But you know, Madam instructed that you shouldn't eat until 2 p.m. So, I will just have to sneak in there and get you food. Yes, once Madam leaves, because she's still in the living room. So once she leaves, I will get you food. I will hang around and, you know, watch how things go. Okay?
I appreciate it.
It's fine.
Thank you.
Yeah. So I'll go and see if she's still around, okay? I'll get you your food soon.
Hello?
Dave, are you okay?
I'm fine.
You're fine? You don't sound fine at all. Have you had something to eat today?
No, but I will be fine.
I don't believe you. You see, just leave whatever it is you're doing right now. Come over to the house. I made something for you.
I said I will be fine. Don't worry, the chef is getting my food.
Dave, I insist.
Oh, never mind. My food is here.
Hello?
Okay, here we go.
Thank you.
It's nothing.
Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow.
Hello, Brady. Hello, Brady. Are you going my way? If you don't mind, please, can you just get into the car and let me drop you where you're going to? My name is Steve. I just came back from US looking for the good friends to hang around with. So if you don't mind, please, can we mingle? You see, I understand you're not the right friend of mine to talk to me. But if you don't mind, just give me your phone number so I can hello you later.
204-680-7351. That's UBA, please.
I think you just made a mistake. I asked for your phone number, but you just gave me your account number.
That's the password to unlock my phone number, please.
Really?
100K into the account, and you'll get my phone number.
Maybe you could just check your phone.
Did I just hear an alert?
Is this guy serious? What? I said 100,000 and you said 200,000. You know what? Your way is my way, baby. If all men could be like this world would be a better place. Can I hop in now? Thank you so much.
Well, look why you lower your actions. We are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions. We are all human beings. Well, look why you, madam. Oh, where on your metio? Lower your actions.
Where is he? Where is the driver?
Recently, I have noticed how inconsistent and nonchalantly he's been discharging his duties. He goes out whenever he likes and returns however he feels. That I will not accept here. He has turned himself into a nosy one who meddles into people's affairs, trying to know and meet people whenever we are out. I'm sorry, ma'am, but he usually takes permission from me before stepping out. 20% of your salary slashed for supporting a breakdown of rules and regulations guiding this home. Mama, I don't know that. Now get out.
Well, look why you Chine mere on where on your metio. Lower your actions. We are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions. We are all human beings. Well, look why you, madam. Oh, where on your metio. Lower your actions. We are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions. We are all human beings.
Who be that? Huh? Oga Ben! Oga Ben! Oga Ben.
Yombul, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. Oga Ben, welcome. Oga Ben, you not driving?
No. Don't worry. I quickly went to see my cousin. I'll be rushing off to somewhere immediately.
Okay, now, Oga Ben. Oga Ben, anything for your boy. What you carry come from me, Oga Ben? Oga Ben, I'm your boy, you.
Don't worry. Yeah. There must be something for you while I'm going out. Okay?
Oga Ben. I trust Oga Ben. Oga Ben, welcome, man.
Who is that person kneeling down? Why is he kneeling?
Oga Ben, na Dave now. Now, madam say make him kneel down if he still wants to keep working in this house.
So what's his crime?
Oga Ben, Dave committed guilty. Yes, madam talks say he committed guilty.
Committed guilty? How?
Oga Ben, Dave committed guilty against the rules and regulations of this house. So madam say make him kneel down there if he wants to keep working here. That's what we see, Oga Ben. That's what we see.
Chinemelo.
Lower your actions. We are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions. We are all human beings. Well, look why you, madam. Oh, where on your metio. Lower your actions. We are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions. We are all human beings. Well, look why you, madam. Oh, where on your metio. Lower your actions. We are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow.
What are you doing, Chinemelo? Asking a full-grown man to kneel down in the compound.
just because you feel he went contrary to some of the rules and regulations you mapped out in this house. What has come over you? Do you...
Ben, I do not only respect you as my cousin, but I also respect the fact that you played a major role in me being here. But what I will not take from you is you coming to my house to lecture me on how to discipline my staffs when they go wrong.
Nemelo, listen. That driver is not just a staff. He's a man.
And so? What if he's a man? A man with two heads? So he should go ahead breaking the rules and regulations, guiding where he works. Answer me.
Nemelo, you must listen to me.
If it's about that young man, I am done. Excuse me.
Lower your actions. We are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions. We are all human beings. Madam. Lower your actions. We are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions. We are all human beings. Madam. Lower your actions. We are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions. We are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions. We are all human beings. Madam. Lower your actions. We are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions. We are all human beings. Madam. Lower your actions. We are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a God tomorrow. Lower your actions. We are all human beings. Chinemeremwa, listen to me. Mellow your temper. Put up video. Can't you see the handwriting on the wall? Chinemere, take it easy because Babylonia was not before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Babylonia was not before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Opportunity never pass me by. The only son of Babylonia go be my husband. Love Babylonia was not.
Why is everyone moody? What happened?
See, we do fasting like this, including you.
Why are we fasting? Why would they fast?
Why? Why be say our madam don't lock kitchen? She say nobody dey chop. Say she dey bad mood. Say as soon as no greet am when she dey comot, na im make am dey get bad mood. She go lock kitchen. So like this now we dey emergency fasting.
Are you kidding me?
We no go protest because that salary now e fat for this present economy. Since e hard, I go need my money complete. I go need down my 100k complete. So we know dey protest though.
Who does she think she is? Like who does? On a serious note, what is your problem? What are you feeling like? Why do you derive joy in maltreating people? Are you God? What are you feeling like? Huh? Are you God?
Yes. Yes. I am your God. Supervisor! 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 Hey, you, come here. Come here, come here. Come here, come here. Supervisor! Hey, you, walk fast. Come here. Yes, I am your God. 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 You know why? Because I provide that which none of you can provide for yourself. And you in particular, you have declared yourself the very spokesman for all, right? You ought to cease working here. On a second thought, letting you go is not enough. I have news for you all. The good news and the bad news. So, let's start with the good news. The chef, the gate man, the house cleaner, your duties have been relieved of you. By the end of the month, you will be receiving your salaries without working, because your job specifications has been directed to someone else. And the bad news is, that is if it's bad at all, Mr. David Uche, the driver, in the next 1 month, you will be assuming the duties of the cook, the housekeeper and the driver, in addition to your job as the driver. That is the payment for your sins. And I'm sure you will not want to disobey my orders. That is if you still want your job and the approval of your salary by the end of the month. I am sure you know your power limitations and the manual before accepting to take this job. And I won't want you to be reminded of these job specifications. Any of you caught assisting him will stand the chance of losing 10% of your salary. Have I made myself clear? Have I?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Your job starts now. All of you, get out!
Well, look why you Chinemere onwero onye mechi yo. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become oga tomorrow. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Well, look why you madam, onwero onye mechi yo. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become oga tomorrow. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Well, look why you madam, onwero onye mechi yo. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become oga tomorrow. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Chinemeremwa, listen to me. Mellow your temper, put your video. Can't you see the handwriting on the wall? Chinemere, take it easy because Obodo you Babylonia was back before. Where are you? Come, I'm waiting for you. Well, look why you Chinemere onwero onye mechi yo. Lower your actions, we are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become oga tomorrow. Lower your actions, we We are all human beings. Well, look why madam. Oh, where are you? Lower your actions. We are all human beings. Your servant today, fit become a hugger tomorrow. Lower your actions.